what you feel is really going to be the buzzword for housing, for living, for real estate in the future. Where do you see the sector headed, and how much progress has really been made in the last few years in particular in, of course, the affordable housing sector, but overall in the real estate sector as a whole?
Thank you. I think the living sector, which includes the housing and the infrastructure, Government of India has a big push to create an households, and we had came out with PMAY 1, now the PMAY 2. The Government of India wants that every head should have one roof. So by 2047, I think we will be having a sustainable, smart homes for everyone. Nevertheless, we have a target of 5 years that PMAY 2 had came, wherein the urban and the rural population will have the housing needs scattered through these programs. So when I say about the housing, I think housing is the epicenter of the development, and they are the actual key for the Viksit Bharat. And everything which is going along, it starts from the housing only. So whether it is water, sanitation, power, energy, roads, logistics, or economical drivers, starting from the education, hospitals, markets. So everything starts from the housing, and housing is the key for the development. HUDCO as a company, we are into housing as well as the urban affairs. So we are into the financing, we are into the consultancy. And as a strategic organization of the Government of India, we had taken the responsibility that all these things has to come in a timely manner, in a sustainable manner, in a smart manner, and in a very eco-friendly manner. So I think the future is very bright regarding the housing, and lot of things regarding the standardization of the sustainable product has been done. Standardization of the layouts has been in process. We are doing R&Ds also to have a sustainable material for house building. So all these things are in line, and lot of things we had already achieved, and I am sure that within a year or so, most of the things will be coming to the ground.